This is my teriyaki salmon recipe. What I use is salmon, uh, little lime, cilantro. I put teriyaki and soy sauce, oyster sauce, and I blend it. I add a little butter into it to kind of make it slightly thick, not too thick. And I'm gonna hand this over. Alright, first thing you do is you wash and rinse the salmon like before. You descale it and then you push some lime on it. And the lime helps reduce the fishiness of it. And pretty much it. And then what I did is I just blended a little bit teriyaki, a little bit of oyster sauce, and a little bit of soy sauce with the and added a little butter to it, and that's it. And just kind of drench it in there. I have this handy dandy grill that I put in there, and that helps. And then you'll just add some cilantro. I actually had some Thai basil, so I'm gonna add some Thai basil in there just to, just to give it extra flavor. And that's it. And then what I'll do is I'll close this. And I'll cook it with a foil on top, and what that does is it kind of cooks it up. And oh yes, I forgot one more ingredient. Olive oil. I always put olive oil because it helps crisp the bottom. And you just kind of fold this up so it's all nice and ready to grill. Button. Okay, now we're gonna put the teriyaki salmon there, and I also have the regular salmon. I'm gonna put it on the side like this. We're gonna let it cook. Close it. All right, look at that. So your trick on this one is to make sure you don't cook it too much, and you see how the oil is bubbling on the bottom. That means that the salmon is gonna be nice, crispy soon. See that one? That one looks good. It's still not. For this one, it's probably when the butter melts is usually when it's ready for you to do something. Woo! Sorry. Oops, that's some oil splashing. And that one looks like it's almost done. That one. I'm gonna add a little more teriyaki sauce on top. And it's probably almost ready for me to flip. See, right there is still kind of pinkish. It looks nice and golden. And let's cook that. Alright, so now this one's ready to flip over. We're going to flip it to get that grilled flavor extra grilled. So just take that and flip it. And it's not going to take that long to do. We're going to flip that like that. I'm going to cook it probably for a minute. Okay, about a minute. I think it's going to be ready. You flip it, see how it's nice and golden, and it's ready for action. Okay. Turn off the video. Pop. Okay, so what I do is then the reason why I have the foil is now I can just rip that off. The foil at all. Take that foil off, and so then I can lay it onto this sheet right here, right there, like that. Alright, and what I'm going to do is take this one, I'm going to open this up. Fall out. You might need a knife to cut it to get it separate, but this one looks like it did it on its own. Voila! And pause it. Okay, ready? And then flip it. Not all. And that should hopefully get the salmon onto the other plate. Okay. Let's get that away. Okay, pause it for a second. Alright, And if you see this one, it's not as crispy as I want it, so I took out the foil and I'm gonna put it on the grill direct, and that should crisp it up again more. All right, I think the salmon's done, so you can see on the back side, see it's nice and crispy now. And what I'm gonna do is just, again, just lay it out. We're gonna lay it out and flip it onto this. So 1, 2, 3. Woo! And I just sometimes you have to take a knife to kind of separate that. And okay, go ahead and pause the video.
Okay.
Oops. Actually, oops. Hold on to that. Okay, I need to take this, put it on here. We're gonna transfer it to the grill so we can grill the top. Open this out. See how the bottom. And I'm just gonna take this and do the same thing I did with the other one. We'll just flip it like that, and we're ready to flip it onto the grill. Okay. Okay. Oops. 1, 2, 3, flip. Go ahead and pause it. Hold on to that. Okay. We're gonna just take this. Flip it back out again, and it's all done. Ta-da! That's it.